Hi everyone, this is Lucky here from North Coast Auto. Today we're looking at a 1989 Nissan Skyline. I had a customer request to do a compression test on the engine, so that's what we're doing today. Basically going to take you through all the steps to do a compression test on this engine. So basically what has to happen is you got to get the intake manifold out of the way. The upper part of it, that's right here. I've already unhooked it. It's fairly easy to do. And then the next step would be to take off the cover, and you'll find yourself 6 coil packs down there you'll have to remove. I've already taken off all the bolts, so these are the coil packs we'll be removing. You want to try to keep these all in order, so just remember which ones go where. So as you can see, I got this gauge rigged up to #1 cylinder. Also got a battery charger on the battery so the battery won't die. And then we got this switch hooked up to the starter. That way I don't need another guy to hit the starter in the car. I can just do it myself here. So this will be a dry compression test on all the cylinders. And we'll get started right now, I guess. So we got about 175 on that one. So now we're on cylinder number 2, and we'll see what we get here. Right at around 172 on that one. Now we are on cylinder number 3. That one's right at 170. Now we're at cylinder number 4. That one's at about 179. Now we're at cylinder number 5. That one's at 172. And we're on the final cylinder, number 6. Right at around 175. So basically what you're looking for is any type of difference between the cylinders. What readings we get right now are all in the 170s, which is pretty normal for a car of this age. You just don't want to see a difference, between the cylinders. Say if one was at like 130 and the rest of them were at 170, obviously you would know you have an issue with one of the cylinders. But since these are all consistent, which is normal for a car of this age. So you also want to take a look at the spark plugs and making sure they're all wearing evenly. And I looked at these and they look fine to me. You want to look for oil residue or corrosion. Could be signs of misfire. But on all these plugs, they're all pretty much worn evenly. I've laid them out to where, cylinder 1 is up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that way when they go back in together, they'll be right where they were. Thanks for taking the time to view this video. If you guys want me to continue to making these videos, just hit the like button or subscribe to us, and we'll keep posting videos like this in the future.